made me take my posters down.
My what?
My father asked me, no, made me take all my posters down because he said they seemed inappropriate.
Okay, what kind of posters are where?
He doesn't like heavy metal. He's a normie.
There were like these schedules in the,
Yeah.
the stores that
So,
shows a very beautiful girl.
aha, exactly. You are getting the point. And of course, when when his clients arrive home, the first thing they saw was that
I
a
know.
voluptuous girl.
I know, no. Well, yes. To eliminate. Oh, it's not eliminate. To remove.
Okay, to remove. To remove what in
Move
particular?
things.
Mm-hmm. Where from?
Remove from your house or from
From what part in the house specifically?
the wall.
From the wall.
Um,
Ta-da! To take something down is to take things from the wall.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Next. To mop up. Example. You tell me the definition. Eat carefully because you're throwing the sauce on the ground and you'll have to mop it up. Eat carefully because you're throwing all the sauce to the ground and you'll have to mop it up.
Well, it's related with eating, but
Related or
I'm
relating?
relating.
Related.
Well,
Indeed.
I say related.
And then
Sorry.
you change it to relating. Watch out.
Because at first I say related, but
Uh-huh.
you told me related or relating. And it was like,
Oh. I thought you said another thing. Okay, I'm sorry.
but I didn't understand the second part of the example.
You didn't understand the second part?
I'm kind of good at first. I listened to you need to browse or something like that.
Yeah. Sauce is the liquid you put on tacos. Sauce.
Okay, yes.
Red sauce and green sauce.
Hmm?
So please use a plate because I don't want to mop up right now. I don't want to mop up again.
Yes. Ah, you, what is this verb? Manchar, ensuciar.
Manchar in English, stain.
They,
Ajá.
food. I don't know.
Can you repeat that?
To stain things with food.
But okay. Yes, it makes sense, but no. Because this is a different thing. Okay, another. You stain the floor, and I'm not going to mop it up. You go do it. You stain the floor, and I'm not going to mop it up. So, you go do it.
Okay. To clean.
Yes.
Clean the food or liquids that are you drop up. I don't know.
Drop where?
Yes, because yes, this is the verb to drop up or
Eliminate off. No, that was the observation. Off or drop off is when you are driving, and then you are going to no. Uh-huh. So
yes,
you're very close. Very close. This one is
to
different.
clean something that you drop.
To clean something that you dropped
Accidentally. I don't know.
accidentally. Okay, I like it. I like it, brother. That's correct. Let me show you. Pop-up. To remove liquid from a surface.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That was the one.
Okay.
Good. Good. Take your nose.
Okay.
Good. Let's go with the next one. We have sweep up. The same in the same context. We're gonna use sweep up. Jan was sweeping up the bits of paper and broken glass when suddenly the dust made her sneeze. I repeat, Jan was sweeping up the bits of paper and broken glass when suddenly the dust made her sneeze.
What is sweep up? No. Yeah, I can't find the relation between the dust and the verb, the phrasal verb.
No?
No.
What about the broken glass?
To use paper to clean your mouth or anything.
Use paper to. No, the broken glass.
Broken glass.
Glass is a material of crystal.
Yes. Okay. Okay. To
Yes.
levantar. No.
That will be another phrasal verb. That's to pick up. Yeah, that's it. Oh, doing it with your hands. But here we are not using our hands because precisely it's broken glass. You cannot touch it. What do you do when you break the glass?
You use I don't know how to say escoba.
A broom.
Okay, you use a broom.
Use a broom to sweep up.
To sweep up, exactly. Yes.
So what is sweep up?
To clean something with a broom.
Exactly. To clean. What in specific?
To clean food.
What are you cleaning? Because you're not cleaning the food. You're cleaning.
No. To clean the floor.
Yes. Ta-da!
Oh, okay. With a broom. Okay. This day I learned how to say escoba.
Exactly.
Okay.
You learned how to say escoba today. Excellent progress.
100% English, 0%
100%
Mexican.
Give me my visa. Give me my green card. I know how to say escoba.
Born in the USA.
Or in the USA. Exactly. Next.
And the last one, I think, because I need to hurry up.
You need to leave, bro.
My brother shines for his awesome.
Yeah, your brothers. Jesus Christ. Both of them. We can put. I'm gonna use this on. Okay? So every morning I need to wake up. No, I need to go. No. Every morning I go to the kitchen before I take a shower. Before. Because I put the kettle on so it heats for my coffee.
No.
I repeat. Every morning I go to the kitchen before I take a shower.
Okay, yes.
So I put the kettle on, so it heats while I shower.
The kettle is like a glass.
Good question. No, that's not a glass. Kettle.
What?
Is this thing that
Kettle.
for water?
So I don't know. To burn. No, it's not to burn. Too hot things.
Heat, but no, because I'm using the word heat. One time, if I say, I put the kettle on to heat while I'm showering.
Oh, but I cannot find a synonym of put, Collocate.
Okay.
Yeah, no. No.
Then let me help you. Turn the stove on.
On the stove.
It can be
Oh,
for the stove. It can be for the washing machine. It can be for music.
yes, I remember turning off. I don't know, but this is but I don't know.
This is put. This is not turn.
Magical.
Magical. My brother, there you have it.
Well, yes. Okay, so there are phrasal verbs and the another topic that I haven't seen for the exam.
Phrases.
Phrases.
Phrases
And the
and clauses.
exam, when is the exam?
In 1 month.
Ah, oh wait.
We still have time.
Yeah, because in 1 week it would be a little bit impossible.
Yeah, exactly.
You maybe, but
Also, also because we have a lot of topics to see yet. So
yes, and I want to receive some things.
exactly, that will be necessary. All right.
Give me 1 month, as Goku says. Good sir.
And you will fully know my power.
Exactly, and I will show you my really powers.
My true power. Okay.
My true powers. Exactly.
I will definitely give you that. No problem.
Okay, thanks.
All right, brother. Have a very nice day. I'll see you tomorrow.
On Friday, because tomorrow I have classes at 7 a.m.
Okay. Then I'll see you on Friday.
On Friday, yes.
Don't worry, brother. Have a good day.
You too, teacher. Have a
Bye.
nice Wednesday.
You too.
Bye.